Good evening, guys. I'm going to make again a video presentation about remaining cargo to load. This is exercise 7.5. Just bear with me, guys. Okay, let's start. This is exercise 7.5. Problem 7.51. MB Max Panama is about to complete loading. The remaining cargo is 1,965 metric tons. Her present drop forward is 11.07 meters and up is 11.35 meters. Distribute the remaining cargo between holes 2 and 6 to get a required trim of even keel. Okay. This is by manual solution, but it's not yet finished. So we'll just use the program. Okay. Okay, so I use the program with the Max Panama. Okay. This is the vessel MB Max Panamax. Okay. So let's start. What is his present drop forward? Present drop forward is, okay, let's make this bigger. Present drop forward is 11.07. Okay, 11.07. 11.07. And his updraft is 11.35. Okay, 11.35. And take note of his mean is 11.21. So let's say the actual midport is 11.21. And the starboard mid is, actual mid is 11.21. No list. Okay. Then according to the problem, it doesn't say here the final departure or departure drop. It doesn't say. It says the amount of cargo to be loaded. So the amount of cargo to be loaded is 1,965. Okay. And to be distributed in hold number 6 to at even keel. Okay, so let's start. So 1965. 1965. So what you do, you put here 1965. Okay, by this program, 1965. Okay. So this 1965, this is we don't have yet a departure drop, so we just put this to 0. So we don't know yet our departure drop. Okay. So what we know is that we have to load 1,965. So I go up. And I put here 1965. Okay. 1965. And beside this one, you put the initial TPC of the initial drop. So TPC is 6311. 63.11. Put here 63.11. And this amount of cargo to be loaded of 1965 divided with your TPC of 60.11 is 31.15. Divide this by 100, that will be 0.311 or 0.31. Okay? That is the sinkage. So your present mean drop is 11.21 plus your sinkage of 0.31. That will be the final drop is 11.52. Now this will be your final drop. So if you put here, final drop is 11.52. 11.52. And take note that the value of the cargo recommended per load is almost the same. No, was 1 tons difference. Okay. So what we do? 1 tons difference. Let's say we want to make this 1965. We put this 11.523. Okay, add 3 there. That's too much. So 3, make it a 0.5. 67. So it's 2 tons more. You make this 4. 66. Then make it 3. 11.5203. Make it 2. Okay. Okay, 6.5. The same now. Let's say make it, reduce it a little more. Make it 1. Oh, so make it now it's 1965. So it's here, almost the same here. 1965. So what's the result after loading 1965? Then your bid drop is 11.5201, which is almost the same here, and your sinkage is 31.01. It's almost the same, no? The same. Then he says distribute the remaining cargo between holes 2 and 6 to get a required trim of even keel. So we have to distribute this to holes 2 and 6 and make it even keel. So this is the actual cargo to load for trimming. Then go to trim holes 2. So you go to trim holes 2. There you go. Trimming with 2 holes. Take note of the remaining cargo to load is 1965, which is 1965. Okay. This is the initial drop, mean drop, trim, and the initial MTC, LCF, and TPC. Move this a little further aside. Then your trimming hold is 2. Okay. Enter. And 6. Take note 6. And you scroll down. It says the problem says it should be even keel. Okay. Required trim of even keel. So make it even keel. So final trim should be 0 because of even keel. Okay. Then you scroll down. How much are you going to load in hole number 2? That will be 1059 or 1059. So go up. 1059. 1059 there. And number 6 should be 906, okay? Number 6 is 906. Run it up. And your final drop or departure drop would be forward is 1152, up drop is 1152, zero trim, and your main is 1152, and your deflection is 0. Okay? So how did I get your mid drop? Press this equals. Go to form number 6. When you load 1965, this will be your mid, departure mid. So press this enter. There you go. And your main, press equals. This is your main. Then your deflection is 0. Okay? Then we go to form number 6. Okay? Take note of the cargo's trimming cargo is 2 and 6, and the cargo to load in 2 and 6. 2 and 6 is 2 is 1059 and 6 is 906. Okay? 906. Okay? So from here, you put the cargoes 2 and 6, the load, the cargo to load in each cargo, which is 109, number 16 is 906, and let's check the LCG. Apply the LCG. Okay, you go to scroll down. The LCG of number 2 is negative 6336, negative 6336, and hold number 6 is 4175. Hold number 6 is 4175, okay? Then scroll down. Your departure drop forward is 11.52 and up drop is 11.52. Your trim is 0. Your main drop is 11.52, okay? So you met the criteria of the problem. It says that distribute the remaining cargo between two holes to get a required trim of even keel. So we are even keel, okay? We are now even keel. 11.52, 11.52, forward and up, okay? And your main drop is 11.52. That is program number 1, which is how to find trim when handling several moderate weights. This is for number 6. And trim holds 2. Okay. Trimming with 2 holds. Scroll down. And here you have even keel. Forward 11.52, up 11.52. 0 trim, and your main is 11.52 with 0 deflection. Then the third program is the trim table, by trim table. Okay, trimming table. Take note of the remaining cargo to load is 1965, and your trimming hold is 2 and 6. This is the cargo to be loaded in number 1 and number 6. Then we will apply the correct forward and up correction of hold number 2 and hold number 6. Then we go to the trimming table or correction table. Then we go, our drop is almost 12 meters because it's 11.52. Okay, it's 11.52, it's almost 12 meters. So you select the 12 meters and hold number 2, and the forward correction is 4.8. Okay, then you put here 4.8. Just a moment. Let's copy this one. 5.8. This negative 3, 0, negative 1.9. This is 2, 1. So what is the correction in hold number 2? Hold number 2 forward is 4.8. Okay, we'll put here 4.8, 4.8. Then up correction. Up correction in number 2, up correction is negative 1.7. Put here negative 1.7. Okay. And number 6, hold, forward correction. So you scroll down a little bit. Number 6, forward correction is negative 0.8. Negative 0.8. Okay. And up correction is how much? Up correction number 6 is 3.8. Okay, put there 3.8. 3.8. Look at the drop. It's 11.51, but the target is 11.52, and you are trimmed by the stern by 1 centimeter. So I've already adjusted this forward up correction. So we'll adjust forward. Adjust the forward correction to make it 11.52. Let's say previous was 5.8. See, 5.8. No. So we have to adjust it. Make this, for example, make this 7. Take note of forward drop. Make this 7. Okay. Then we make this 9. Okay. 9. There you go. Then we will adjust up correction. Now the trim is 0. We will now adjust this up drop. So up correction, we make this 9. Okay. You are now trimmed by the stern. So make this trim by the stern. Make this 5. Say make this 5. Forward. Or make this 4.95. 4.95. 4.95. There you go. You are now even keel of 11.52, 11.52, and your deflection is 0. Okay? So this is your third program. First program is form number 6, which is even keel of 11.52, forward and up, trim 2 holds, even keel of 11.52, forward and up, and by trim table, your third program is even keel of 11.52, forward and up by trim table. And the last program, the fourth program, is form number 7. Form number 7 is how to find drop and trim when handling weights involving large changes in mean drop. So the density is 1.025 because it doesn't mention any density here. So we assume that it's already freshwater density 1.025. Okay. And what is the drop forward? Is 11.07. Put here 11.07, and up drop is how much? Is 11.35. Put here 11.35. 11.35. Okay. Then your drop, your density all throughout after completion of loading is 1.025. It was salt water 1.025. Okay. Then you apply here the cargo holds 1, 6, and 2. How much are you going to load in 2 and 6? Okay. 2 is 1059 and 6 is 906. 906. Okay. Then what is the LCG of hold number 2 and 6? The hold number 2 is how much? LCG of hold number 2 is negative 6336. Negative 6336. And hold number 6 is 4175. 6 is 4175. Okay, confirm. Once it is confirmed, scroll down. Take note that your mid drop here is 11.519, which is almost of 11.52, and the forward and up drop and the main drop is even kill of 11.52. Forward 11.52, up drops 11.52, main drop is 11.52. Zero trim, and your deflection is 0. Again, how did you get your mid drop? This equals. Then you go to form number 6, go up. Once you load 1965, I'm sorry. Once you load 1965, then this will be your mid drop, partial mid drop 11.5220. Okay. Click this one and press enter. Then there you go, 11.5201. Then your mean, press equals, and this will be your mean. Okay. Then your deflection is 0. So we have 4 programs. Form number 7, even kill. Number 2, by trim table, even kill. And by trim 2 holds, it is even kill. And by form number 6, this 4 program is also even kill. Okay. Now, in trim table, you don't know which cargo load to load first. It's either 2 and 6. But I prepare to load in hold number 6 so that you will have a trim, good trim, before going to be even kill. So here, I made here a program that you should load first hold number 6, after then you load hold number 2. So take note, hold number 6 is 906, cargo, forward is negative 0.8, and up correction is 3.9. In hold number 2, cargo is 1059, port correction is 495. Okay, 495. Make this like this. 495. So 495, and your up correction is negative 17. Okay. This is your initial drop. Forward 1107, up drop is 1135. Once completed loading of 906, then your drop would be 11 forward, and up will be 11.70. You are trim here by the stern. So after loading number 6, then you will load in number 2 of 1059. After loading 1059, then your departure drop forward will be 1152, up drop 1152. Your trim is 0, and your main drop is 1152. Okay? And your deflection is 0. This is the same with this one. Okay. Okay, this is for the vessel Max Panamax, which is this one. Okay? Max Panamax. Then, for example, another capesize vessel would like to load the same drop, and that will be another Panamax vessel. That will be MV Brilliant with 7 holds. Okay? With 7 holds. Okay? Assuming that's also to load the same amount of cargo, the same drop. So we put to form number 6. Go to form number 6, which is how to find trim when handling several moderate weights. Okay, the drop forward is 1107.07. Up drop is 1135. 11.35, which is, okay, drop forwards 11.07, up is 11.35. Okay, then the actual midport would be, for example, 11.21. The same with your main drop here. Actual midport 11.21, and mid starboard is also 11.1. Okay, you don't know yet your ceiling drop, what is 0, but you know already how much cargo to load, which is how much, which is 1965. Okay, so you put here cargo to load of 1965. 1965, but you don't know how much would be your departure drop after loading 1965. Okay, so what you do, put here 1965 in this cell here, 1965, and beside this cell, you take out the initial TPC of the initial drop. This is the initial drop, and the TPC is 95.50. Then you put here 95.50. What you do is this cargo, amount of cargo, divide it with your TPC of 95.50, that will be 20.58. Divide this 100, that will be 0.21. Okay, you put this one to be exact. That will be 2.206, but to run it up, copy, paste, example, that will be 0.206. Okay, but if you round it up, that will be 0.21. So your present drop is 11.21 plus your sinkage of 0.21. That will be how much? How much is here? It should be 11 final 11.42. Okay, Let me check, guys, ha? I want to make sure. $19.65 should be 3.1. This should be 3.1. 63.11. Okay, 63.11. This is 9.95. TP is 9.5. Are you sure? 9.5. TPC number 6. Make this double check, guys. 6. Okay, 6. Go to hydrostatic table. I want to double check this one, guys. This is number 6. Was go to 3 moles to trim was TPC is 9560. Okay, 9560. 9560. So we make this 9560 50, then your departure drop should be 11.42. Okay, with this will be your final drop, 11.42. 11.42. Now it's almost 2,000. So we reduce this to 1. What happens? 96. I don't know. Make this 42. 415. 61. 415. Make this 2. 63. Make this 3. What we make it for? What happens? Make this 4. Okay. So that will be 1964.8. And we'll round it up. That will be 1965. Okay, 1965. If you load 1965, then your drop forward, mid drop will be partial 11.4153. So what you have here, 11.4153 exactly. And your sinkage is 2053, which is, to round it up, that will be 0.21. Okay? Then you go to trim holes 2. You trim holes 2. This is your initial drop, your main drop, and your MTC, LCF, and TPC. And your trimming hold is 2. You press 2, enter. And your other one is 6. Press enter. Then you scroll down. And your trim is 0. Even kill. So put it 0. And how much are you going to load in number 2? Number 2 is 1228. 1228. 1228. And number 6 is 737. 737. And your final drop forward is 11.41. 11.41. 0 trim and min drop is 11.41. Okay? With this one of 1965. This is your program number 2. trimming with 2 holes, and problem number 6 is how to find trim and handling severe moderate weights. Okay, and your departure drop here is 11 for 1, forward 11 for 1 up, 0 trim, and main drop is 11 for 1 and 0 deflection. Here you have the shape 11 for 1 and your deflection is 0. Then program number 3 by trim table. Trimming table is this the amount of cargo to be remaining cargo for trimming 1965. Your cargo hold 2 and 6, and your cargo for hold number 2 is 12287327. Okay, check 12287737. Okay, that is a trim table. Then you apply now the correction for hold number 2 and 6. So number 2, forward correction is, what is the final drop departure is 11.4. So we make this, we can make it to 11. Okay, so we choose 11. I choose 11. So we make this one number 6. Cargo number 2. Cargo number 2. This will be cargo number 2. Make this 11. Okay, this one. Make it red. Highlight. And okay. Then you make this, put it to black. And okay. Then 11, that will be K. To hold number 6. Hold number 6. This is the forward. This one. Make it red and bold. This one back to normal. Make it black and bold. So we have now number 6. On a hold number 2, forward is 4.9. So forward is 4.9. 4.9. Up correction is how much? Is negative 1.8. 1.8. Negative 1.8. Okay. And forward correction of hold number 8. Hold number 6. I'm sorry. Hold number 6. Forward correction hold number 6 is negative 0.7. Negative 0.7. And up correction is how much? 4.0. This is 4.0. 4.0. Okay. Then your final drop is should be 11.41, right? Then you are trimmed by the head. So reduce this one. Reduce this one. So to reduce that one, you make this, let's say 6. With the 6. Take note of the changes of the up, forward. That will be 6. Okay. So make this 3. And make this 4. Make this 4. How much? 11.51. So 4.1. Okay. Make this 3. Okay. 3.4, example. Too much. Make it 1. to make it 1.5. There you go, 4.1. Then your updraft is a little bit higher than your trim by the stern. So reduce this one. So for up correction on hole number 6, make it 3.95. 3.95. Doesn't change. Make it 390. Okay. Make this 8.5. 8.5. Then you are still trim by the stern. Take out. Make it 3. Still make it 1. Now mid is 42. So what we do, make this 0. Make this 4. No. Back. Make this 7.978. 7.8. Mid 57.6. 7.6. Make this 7.4. No, undo. Your mid is this one. Okay, your mid is, how much is your mid? Mid is 41415. Okay, so in between. So your mid can be 11.41 or 11.42, then you are still reflection is 0. Okay, so trim number, program number 3 is even kill of 11.41. 11.41. Trim to holes is even kill of 11.41, and your form number 6 even kill of 11.41. So this is program number 1, program number 2, program number 3. Then we go to program number 4, okay, which is for number 7, how to find trim, draft, and trim when handling weights involving large changes in draft. So let's assume that is the density is 1.025 and until completion is 1.025, okay. Then we apply the cargoes to be loaded in 2 and 6. 2 and 6. 2 is 1228. Put here. 1228. And number 6 is how much? 737. 737. 737. What is the LCG of 2? LCG of 2? LCG of 2 is negative 6641. Okay, negative 6641. And 6 is 49.99. 6 is 49.99. Okay? Then you scroll down. Then your mid drop here is 11.47 or 4.8. And something wrong with this one. Okay? We double check. Forward is 11.07. Okay, 11.07. 11.07, and up is 11.35. Okay, 11.35, 11.35, and then your final drop, your mid drop now is 11.41, and here your forward is 11.42, up is 11.41, mean is 11.41, then you have zero deflection, and your trim is 0. So it's an even kill of 11.41. Okay? But what is more important is your mean drop of 11.41. Okay, that is very more important. Regardless of what's the drop here, forward and up, but if your mid drop is 11.41, then it's okay. You can still get the cargo. Here, 11.41, the main drop. Okay? So that's it, guys. You have 4 programs to back you up. Form 7, which is how to find drop trim when handling weights involving large changes in mean drop. This is form number 7. Okay, you have your even kill here, 0 trim, and your trim table, program number 2 is 11.41, which is trimming table. Okay, and program number 3, trim 2 holds, trimming with 2 holds, then your drop is 11.41 even kill. Okay, and you have here 0 deflection. And the fourth program is form number 6, which is how to find trim when handling several moderate weights. And you have here 11.41 even kill. Now, you might ask, why is the drop different from the previous vessel? Take note, guys, the LPP of this vessel, MV Brilliant Venus, the LPP is 249.62, while the other vessel, Panamax, the LPP is 215. So there's a big difference. 215 versus 249. See? That's why they have a different departure drop. This one is 11.41 even kill, and the Panamax is 11.52. But the question is, they should be in an even kill after they have this loaded 1965 metric tons for the Panamax. Okay, but in MV Brilliant, his recommended cargo to load was, okay, still 1965, but they have different drop. Okay, if the Brilliant, if they load 1965, and his departure drop would be 11.41, while in the Panamax, if he load 1965 and his departure drop would be 11.52. Okay, so that's it, guys. If you like this video, please click the like button, share, and subscribe, and please don't forget to click the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and good night.